This looks like a normal UGC product ad, but it was actually generated completely with AI. No camera, no actors, no filming. And still, it's so realistic that it's almost impossible to tell it apart from a real person. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create ultra-realistic UGC ads from any products, like this yourself, and how you can become better than 99% of real creators. For this, we're going to use a tool called OpenArt. It lets us create ultra-realistic UGC ads without needing expensive software like aiugcads. I've tried a bunch of different tools, but I keep coming back to this one because it consistently gives the best results. If you want to try it out, I've left a link in the description. So, let's get started. First, you have to understand the shift that's happening on social media right now. AI influencers are slowly starting to take over parts of the market. They can produce content 10 times faster, copy trends within seconds, and now even create ultra-realistic UGC ads that look like they were filmed by real people. And that completely changes the game. Because instead of filming everything yourself, you can now create entire influencer accounts, ads, and content strategies with AI, faster, cheaper, and at a much larger scale. That means one person can now do what used to take an entire team of creators. And whenever a shift like this happens on social media, it opens up a huge opportunity for the people who get in early. Right now, we're still at the very beginning of this trend, but in a few years, this space will most likely become extremely competitive and saturated. So the real opportunity is right now, while most people are still sleeping on it. And make sure you stay until the end, because I have a surprise for you that you definitely don't want to miss. Inside OpenArt, first go to Create Image and select the model Nano Banana Pro and change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Next, go to Pinterest and find an image of a person who could hold or promote your product and upload it under Visual References. Alternatively, you can also generate a person directly with a detailed prompt and upload that image instead. Next, upload an image of your product. I'll be using a Prime drink as an example. Finally, enter a prompt that places the product into your character's hands or scene. This will depend on what your character is meant to promote. In this case, I want her to hold the Prime bottle in her hand and show it to the camera. Here's the prompt I used for this, and the image I get out of it. As you can see, you can also change the background to make the ad look even more realistic. For this, I stay in Nano Banana Pro and enter the following prompt. Change the background to a clean, modern kitchen, keep her and the drink exactly the same. When you click Generate, you'll get the exact same picture, just with a better matching background. Next, go to the Frame to Video section. Here, I recommend using the Kling 3.0 or VO 3.1 model because these two give the best results. For this example, I'll go with Kling. Upload your image as the start frame, then turn the audio on. Set the duration according to your script, I'll use 7 seconds here, and set the resolution to 1080p. Now comes the most important part, your prompt. If your prompt isn't good, your whole video won't look good, so make sure to include these things. First, the speaking style. For example, that she should speak in a friendly, engaging UGC style. Then, of course, your script in quotation marks, so the AI clearly knows what to say. Additionally, I always include the following to make it look as natural as possible. Her lips move naturally, eyes looking into the camera, expressing excitement and enthusiasm. Natural hand gestures, subtle head movements, realistic skin and hair details, cinematic lighting, soft shadows, photorealistic style. If you're unsure, just ask ChatGPT to help you create a suitable prompt. Finally, click Generate, and your perfect UGC video is ready. But to create a truly professional UGC ad, one clip isn't enough. I recommend creating at least 2 clips and then combining them together. Let's add a scene where the girl takes a sip from the Prime bottle. For this, I enter the following prompt and get this scene.
Wow, it's so good.
Of course, you can also generate more scenes if you want, but I'll stick with just 2 scenes for now. I then quickly cut them together. I always use the free tool CapCut for this. And here's a look at the final result.
Wow, it's so good. I've been trying this drink every morning, and honestly, it's a game changer.
And that's it. You now know exactly how to create ultra-realistic AI UGC ads that look like they were made by top creators. Now I have a little surprise for you. If you want to go even further and build something bigger, make sure to download my free ebook where I show you how to create your own AI influencer, gain thousands of followers, and make money with it. Check out the link in the description. And of course, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss my next tutorials on AI content, trends, and monetization.